Hello everyone, Funster Toys here. Who wants to play today? Do you want to play today? Me too! Let's go! Today we're going to open and play with our Play-Doh, Despicable Me, Minion Made, Disguise Lab. And look, there's our minions. This should be a lot of fun. I've been looking forward to this. So let's go. It's quite a full box. And look, we get 4 kinds of Play-Doh. 4 colors. And there they are. We have orange Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, it's a light blue, and there's our pink Play-Doh. There's our colors. And there's one of the parts. Let's pull out our pieces now. Ooh, we get to put this together. We'll put together our Disguise Lab chair. Looks like this is the post. And there's the chair. Look at our platform. We have different presses here to make different things for our minions. So we'll put the chair on the post. Let's see if it's better this way. It's the same. That's better. I like the smile here. There's scissors. They look like they have a zigzag. That should be fun. And here are our minions. Here's Stuart and an evil minion, evil purple minion. Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. And there's Stuart. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na, ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. Well, Stuart, there you are. Well, let's try our new Play-Doh. Let's try our new Play-Doh barber chair. I called this pink. That's purple. Okay, let's give our evil minion some hair. Oh my goodness. That's a nice hairdo for a evil minion. There you go. And let's see, Stuart, do you want some hair? We'll give you some yellow hair. There's yellow. Banana. Yes, Stuart, here we go. Do you want long hair or short hair, Stuart? Okay, we'll go with long. Ready, Stuart? Banana. Here we go. Long hair for Stuart. How long can we make it, Stuart? Oh my goodness. What do you think of that, Stuart? You mean you want a haircut? Here we go. Just the front, you say? There you go. That gives you a new look, Stuart. Really? You want a mustache? What color would you like? We have orange and we have blue. Banana! Okay, orange it is. Oh, there's a nice shade of orange. Okay, here's your mustache. We're working on it. There you go, Stuart. We've made your mustache. No one's going to recognize you with a big orange mustache, Stuart. I thought that's what you wanted. You want to hide and then sneak up on your brothers? Okay. There you go. I think that'll let you hide from them. They'll never recognize you like that. Okay. Come on. Okay, evil minion, what are we going to do now, Stuart? Okay, we'll give you a feather duster. There's a feather duster as one of the presses. How about a blue feather duster? Bidee. Okay. You like blue. That's good. I do too. There we go. There's your blue feather duster, Stuart. And the nice thing about these Play-Doh molds is they're very forgiving. You can always fix anything on a Play-Doh mold. There you go, Stuart. Now you have a feather duster. Oh, you say you need a maid's hat for doing the dusting? Do you want a maid's hat of orange to match your mustache? Biddy-diddy! Okay. We can do that too. There we go. And there's your maid's hat. You're all set to clean. Let me just brush that mustache out. It's a pretty wild mustache. There's a nice comb in the kit. There you go. You're ready to go. Thank you for joining us today on Funster Toys. I hope that you'll subscribe to this channel so that you see our next videos. And we're going to continue to play with the Minion Disguise Lab with Play-Doh from Despicable Me. Please watch for our play video. We'll see you next time. I hope you join us again soon. Goodbye for now from Funster Toys.